come on, let's bust it. Come on, let's bust it. Uh. Mom said knock you out and rock the bells. He'll rock the mic and put you in a cell. He excels, y'all all fail. For years he's been known to crack shells. The claim is he's the great of all time. 31 years he kept y'all in line. It's not a comeback, don't ask why. Since the 80s, his time signed to the major big labels ever. Def Jam always controls the weather. The tatted up mic on your arm is fresher. You and Cannabis got it together. It's the beginning for you as the host of the lip sync battle. Give that a toast. Like a bottle of champagne, you cold. Your legacy's young to be feeling this old. Ain't nobody do what you do. He'll rip you solo, no crew. Ain't an MC that he can't go through. He gets respect for a chosen few. Happy birthday to my fourth hero, LL Cool J.